Yo, Rock, what? Who's on the guest list? What? I better get on task, we've got an album to put out. I'll lock myself in the lab with my Bible, notebooks, file, box, mechanical pencils, which are all vital if I plan to write those books. Surrounded by stacks of vinyl, miscellaneous electronic odds and ends. Through Technique 1200, no telephones, no friends, one microphone, a picture of my rapidly growing family who are waiting up at home. My brother sits in front of Roger Lynn's invention, the MPC 3000 aroused and sounds pound through the walls. I'm feeling every single beat, so do the people in the halls. My notebook sits on top the broken down record crates. I'm like, who needs beat breaks when rock constantly be mixed? Inspiration from on high to write the rhymes to make some cry, some laugh, some hold the plate. What happens when they die? Some folks come to grip with the fact they need to quit getting drunk and getting high. Some flip, some say, what's with this Jesus trip? Some hear a verse that brings conviction, so they're quick to hit the skip. I'm trying to skip the negativity, feeling Psalms 55. It's all these heads claiming the flood, acting slimy like some fish. I give it all to God, cause if it's in His will, this project will be finished. On a daily basis, miracles are accomplished. Yo,
attacking Rogus, smack dragon hunter. Ulysses falling thousands in a frail project housing. I'm bringing to no man Joe, stuff like a Shindo. MCs I infiltrate my pen, I demonstrate my hand in locust fist. Shadow moves through the mist, evil rules in sheep's clothing, try to cash out they miss. Screaming false messiah son, and trying to man me with they guns. Cross out with sweaty palms, I drop my book of songs in Hebrew. Slew Philistines to the left and to the right of me. Guns out to battle when the sun went dim. I threw Christ in their faces, full manifestation. Wicked thugs became smiling faces.
I see it happening, too many repetitions against my reputation. Force my resignation for some type of recognition. You could choose to choke if you find it hard to get down your throat. I won't repair it if it ain't broke. Under the microscope, I act on natural instinct to scribble masterpieces supporting my thesis with classic BP releases, where my mental's on miscellaneous subject matter scattered about throughout the domain. Beneath the surface of the earth's crust, us transform landscapes with simple strokes of paper mates, fueling debates on internet message boards, swinging swords, move heads and eventually tangle microphone cords, burn thoughts on sackcloth, sucker MCs better back off. Now get the photographs when they Crockett, spit math with paragraphs unparalleled, spinning science on phonographs, both praise and impulsive ridicule inspire faster to consecrate Ampex tape and distribute completed math.
Kill the backlash of my words, smash, boom, back. Crash and I step to represent my crew, the arsenal. Yo, we bout to step toe to toe, God's foes get beat down. About I step into the ring, this is the twilight. By this face to face, I'm about to knock the devil out my face in place. My trick is like some C4, no blue lie. That's just the crowd's down, up I'm out like an out, crush into the video. Wow, got out, compiled, Rick on Rick. It's getting itchy like Andre Rick. Don't you feel like God is moving on up in the midst of this? Yo, yeah.
I wish I had a dime for every rhyme that a brother swear he got. I be paid like the gold that they don't got in Fort Knox. Unorthodox, a bit more than what you used to. I drink ginseng when I sing to give my flows a booster. Now who's the rooster that's clucking like a chicken? They used to call me Blade cause I was dope style sticking now. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. And I got your macho man savage style, turned it into cabbage. Dag nabbit, I'm dope, definitely. Crushed your whole crew, phone messing with me. Now, next time you thinking about going out local, look up Sinatra, why you pay me for my vocal?
Oh yeah, let me on the microphone, you know that I'm pale like marshmallows. All these fellas think I'm soft cause I'm female, but 2X chromosomes don't make a handicap. On the mic and every night I circle stretch just like a lap. I can even rhyme in pig Latin, so listen to my Oflay, known emissaries. Be producing cuts like OJ, Miss Mose, the sweetest rhymes of glory to the sun. Radiance and gradients of spoken color from my tongue. I make you see what I'm saying, then I make your eardrums blink and flinch it. What I mention, profundities that link to the simple like a child whose mind can comprehend the deepest things of God with no ego to pretend. I defend like apologetics, pathetic doctrines got to cease like fire extinguished embers. A Vietnamese two-piece from the beach of Orange County to the rivers of Bazoo. I debunk all prior notions, set in motion something new. Rhymes deep like ocean blue, creeping up, approaching you. My words encroaching who would go poaching and pursue your soul like game, but this one has some higher stakes. So I take rhymes and end times as tools my father makes to disperse the knowledge. A faithful steward of my speech so you can benefit and profit from what Moses has to teach.
yo, precise with my pen, swing your beats to confetti. Let Christ charge my mind like alkaline to ever ready. Batteries, kids' one concern is to battle me. My mom's told me challenge is the highest form of flattery. Analogy, please judge me clearly and precise. You give a 3 to me, you headed to a gangster's paradise. With a stamp on your hand till you banned from my sphere. Like a stud as I travel, piercing holes in your ear. As I stare, ships through the lips of a beat. Getting lost through the maze of the lines on my sheet. And delete a paragraph with a staff or utensil. I fill a page full of lead with number 2 pencils. utensils traced around the stance of a man. Arms closed, crouch low, only weapon is his stand. When the bland process of our thoughts gets exposed, the old man lies dead where the red fern grows. What?
Attack tracks from the start to the chorus. You against if you ain't for us. Come on, slug or hate, I mean thin line, gotta come on. Back on the scene, hot as fever, cause I got it sick. Don't need a nick or a Philly, I'm a natural. Just light a match, blow up any MC hat, you know. Matter of fact, you owe me for all them times that my rhymes got stole. Smack a rapper till my hands swell. I mean, I used to want a God said vengeance was his, so then I loosed up on a MC that I had him in a neutral corner. I gotta do some more, I'm used to sorta hitting my props a lot bigger, like the difference when it's juice or water. It's what it's kinda like, that's why when I rhyme I might just blow your spot up like a half stick of dynamite. We stand sure while these whack bands roar, and the real true die-hard fans demand more.
Too many MCs and not enough mics. I separate myself with vows like Nazarites, persecuted and rebuked, attacked as if I'm Job. So I shave my head and wear sackcloth robes, unfold like the hand that was raised by Midian. I smash jaws and blow trumpets like Gideon. Seek to be a martyr, behead me with guillotine. Yeah, I feel like David and you look like Philistine. Cataracts impair my vision, so I switch to third eye. Plead for apathy to end, just like Malachi. Satisfy the inner man, seek biblical secrets. Deliver hip-hop like Israel out of Egypt. Dispel the gates of hell with the golden arrow. And flip back decisions like my name was Pharaoh. My thesis, yo, retain what you grab it. Every day I celebrate as if it's the Sabbath. The Son of Man, blowing sin all the pieces. Forsake the first love like the church of Ephesus. Judgmental proceedings, final thought you can hold. Look back at my life and turn to a pillar of salt. What?